Hello, my dear listeners. Welcome back. I'm Jane, and you are listening to the English Mindset Podcast. I'm really happy you are here today. This episode is for you if learning English feels hard, stressful, or tiring sometimes. If you ever think, why is this so difficult? You are not alone. Let me tell you something important. You do not need to feel stressed to learn English. Stress does not help learning. Calm helps learning. When you feel relaxed, your brain learns better. Many people think they must be perfect. They worry about grammar, pronunciation, mistake. They think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh. But mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake means I am trying, and trying is good. Learning English is not a race. You're not late. You are not slow. You are learning at your speed. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slowly. Both are okay. What matters is that you continue. Let's talk about pressure. Pressure makes learning heavy. When you say, I must speak perfectly, your mind becomes tight. But when you say, I am learning, your mind becomes open. Open minds learn faster. You do not need to study English all day. Small practice is enough. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour, one time a week. Consistency is more important than intensity. You can learn English in easy ways. Listen to short podcasts. Watch simple videos, read easy sentences. Speak 1 or 2 sentences a day. That is enough. Do not compare yourself to others. Someone else's English level has nothing to do with your journey. You have your own path. Every day you listen, read, or speak. You are moving forward, even if you do not feel it. It is okay to feel tired. It is okay to take a break. Rest is part of learning. When you come back, your mind is fresh again. Be kind to yourself. Talk to yourself like a friend instead of saying, my English is bad. Say, my English is improving. Words matter. The way you talk to yourself matters. Confidence does not come from knowing everything. Confidence comes from continuing even when you don't know everything. You don't need perfect English to communicate. You only need courage to try. Here is a simple truth. Every English speaker you admire was once a beginner. They made mistakes. They felt confused. They kept going, and so can you. Learning English should feel like a journey, not a punishment. Enjoy small wins. Understand 1 new word. Say 1 new sentence. Finish 1 short episode. Before we finish, I want you to remember this. You are capable. You are learning. You're doing better than you think. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning. I'm Jane, and this is the English Mindset Podcast. Take it easy, learn slowly, and I'll talk to you again very soon.
If you like the video, like, share, subscribe.